everyone, and welcome back to the Cook to Flourish Kitchen in partnership with Where the Red Fern Grows Farms. And today we get to make a savory citrus vegetable dish that I hope you and your family are just going to love. So it uses so many bright, colorful vegetables from the roots and also from the stems, and so we get to now enjoy them. So what you're going to need one large yellow carrot or orange if you can't find a yellow carrot, and you're going to want to do it in julienne style. Then you're also going to need 1 cup of Swiss chard stalks. Now, a lot of times we use the greens of the Swiss chard, and so we never want to throw away the stalk part because we can add that to soups or add it to smoothies, or we can roast it. So you're going to want to chop that into sticks, okay? You're also going to need 1/2 cup of chopped yellow or golden beet, and then 1 cup of chopped sweet potato as well. So now we're going to take 1/2 tablespoon of blood orange juice, or regular orange if you don't have a blood orange. So 1/2 tablespoon of that, add it to a little measuring cup. 1/2 tablespoon of avocado oil, add that to the measuring cup as well. You're going to need 1/2 teaspoon of fresh grated or minced turmeric. Put that into the measuring cup as well. And then 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of fresh thyme. Now, if you have any orange or lemon thyme, that would be amazing in this dish. And then 1/2 teaspoon of fresh rosemary that you have chopped, okay? Now, toss that all together with your vegetables and add that into a glass baking dish. Have your oven at 375 degrees. Put those veggies into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes until they are as tender as you would like. Then pull them out of the oven, and then you're going to want to have had either an organic blood orange or an organic regular orange, because we are going to use some of the zest. So squeeze a little bit more of the blood orange or orange juice onto the veggies after they come out of the oven, and then take a zester and get a little bit of that organic orange zest and put that over these savory citrus veggies. And then last but not least, we're going to add some of the heavenly blood orange olive oil onto these veggies, and it's going to be amazing. So there we have it, my friends, our savory citrus roasted veggies. I hope that you love it. God bless you, and we will see you later in the Cook to Flourish kitchen.